Okay, let's talk about objects that conform to observable object, right? Objects that conform to the observable object protocol in SwiftUI are typically view models or other objects that contain the data that's displayed in the views. They are objects that can be observed for changes by the SwiftUI framework, and they can notify the views of any updates. Observable object is a protocol that requires the objects to have an object will change publisher and a did change function. Okay, and environment object. An environment object is a property wrapper in SwiftUI that allows you to access a specific object that's been registered with the environment. The environment is a global space that's shared by all views in your app, and it's used to store objects that need to be accessed from multiple places in your app. Environment object is typically used to store objects that are used to manage the state of the app, such as a view model or user settings project. And so right now, this seems a little bit vague. Um, as I go through and start implementing a lot of this functionality, you will start to understand. But I just had to go over these concepts. And yeah, so on to the next.